Okay, we are studying what is that uh, periodic table. We are studying periodic table, classification of elements, periodic table. In last class, we studied what is the importance of construction of periodic table, who proposed periodic table, and periodic table mainly contains what periods, groups, and blocks. So, what do you mean by periods? Means the horizontal columns are called periods. Periodic table, long form of the periodic table contains seven periods, seven periods and 18 groups. Groups means vertical columns. Vertical columns are called groups. So vertical columns are called groups. Groups are also called families. Groups are also called families. Okay. And moreover, that periodic table having mainly four blocks: S block and P block, D block, and A block. Okay. That we will discuss one by one. So today I would like to explain a short notes about periods. You write down the periods. Periods. So we are discussing about short notes about periods. Write down. In long form of the periodic table, in long form of the periodic table, long form of the periodic table, in long form of the periodic table, horizontal, horizontal, horizontal rows are called periods. Are called periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Okay. Then table is having seven periods. Table is having seven periods. How many periods? Seven periods. See, write down. First period. First period contains only two elements. Contains only two elements. Two elements. Those are those are hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen and helium. So it is called shortest period. It is called shortest period. Shortest period. Shortest period means very short period, because it contains only two elements. Second period contains eight elements. Eight elements. Eight elements. Those are started from lithium to lithium. Symbol is Li. Lithium to neon. Lithium to neon. So symbol, this symbol neon, Ne. So second period contains eight elements. Those are started from lithium to neon. It is called short period. It is called what? Short period. It is called short period. Okay, short period. The first one is shortest period. That means very short period. Okay, is it clear? Do you understand this? Then I write Third period. Third period of the periodic table. Third period contains again 8 elements. 8 elements only. 8 elements which are started from which are started from sodium Na symbol to sodium to argon. You know symbol R, Ar. Symbol Ar. Okay. It is also called short period. See, 2 elements period is shortest period, 8 elements period is short period. So again in third period is also contain what? 8 elements. That's why it is called what? Short period. It is also called short period. Short period. That means the first one is shortest, second period is short period, third one is also short period. Okay. Then fourth period contains 18 elements. 18 elements which are started from potassium to potassium K. Potassium to krypton. Symbol is Kr. Krypton. Kr. It is called long period. Because it is long. Here we have 18 elements, that's why it is long period. Okay. Then after completing fourth period, fifth period contains again 18 elements. Fifth period contains 18 elements which are started from rubidium. Rubidium means symbol Rb. Rubidium to xenon. Symbol is Xe. So fifth period contains how many elements? 18 elements which are started from rubidium to xenon. So again 18 elements, 18 elements row is called what? Long period, no? That's why it is also called long period. Long period. Then sixth period contains 32 elements. 32 elements which are started from cesium. Cesium. Symbol is Ce. Cesium. 2. Radon. Radon. Ra. Radon. Okay. It is called actually 32 elements. This period contains more number of elements. That's why it is called longest period. Longest period. Longest period. This thing you have to remember. Longest period. So two elements first period is called shortest period. 8 elements are called short periods. 18 elements periods are called what? Long periods. Here 32 elements, the last sixth period is having more number of elements, 32 elements. That's why it is called what? Period. Is it clear? Okay. Then see, seventh period is incomplete. Simply you write seventh period is incomplete. You don't bother about seventh period. Seventh period is incomplete. Seventh period is incomplete. Seventh period is incomplete. That's all. Seventh period is incomplete, and also what research day to day is going on, and new elements are added to this period. But need not to discuss. But you have to focus on 1 to 6 periods. Completed? Have you written this? Write down, write down, write. If you completed your writing, good. Okay. See, you already in last class, what is that? We drawn periodic table. See, how would be like this periodic table? Periodic table would be like this. See, I show in a rough manner. So periodic table will be like this. See, the complete left part is block. Okay. Complete right block is P block. Already we discussed this. In between S block and P block, the bridge is called D block. Under table we have a block. You know this. See, look here. Here horizontal rows. What I am telling here, horizontal rows. See, first period. First period. This is second period. I think this is third period. See, second period, third period. Then fourth period, fifth period, sixth period. See, lucky this is first period, first period, horizontal row. So first period. So this is first period. Then this is second, second period. This is third period. This is second period. Third period. Roughly, this is fourth period. You know this. This is fourth period. This is fifth period. This is fifth period. No, this is sixth period. This is sixth period. No. So here what happened? The last one is the last one. This is seventh period incomplete. Okay. Here you try to remember the important thing. What is that? In first period we have how many elements? 2 elements. Am I right? we have only two elements. In first period, we have two elements. In second period, we have how many? 8 elements. Third period, we have how many elements? 8. Then next 18 elements, 18 elements, 32 elements. You know, last seventh period is incomplete. You know this. Incomplete period, you don't bother about this. So here, period contains two elements is called shortest period. What this is? Shortest. Shortest period. You write down this. Shortest. Period contains 8 short period. 8 short period. 18 long period. 18 long period. But 32 longest period. Longest period. So this is period. This is element. Element. So if contains two elements, that is shortest period. 8 elements, 8 short period. 18 elements, long period. 32 elements, longest period. Seventh period is incomplete. Here you try to remember, here hydrogen and helium, only two elements. But in second period, what is this? Lithium. The last element is what? Neon. In third period, first one is sodium. Last one is argon. Just now we wrote under theory, comprehensive, we have written, no? Then fourth potassium, here krypton, then rubidium, here xenon, here cesium, radar. Radar means Rn. Okay. Then under cesium we have francium. This is francium, but it is incomplete period. You don't bother about. Okay. This is the first element and last element. Did you understand this? Like. Okay, completed this entire. Okay. So one more time I will explain. Just listen carefully. I have to repeat. See, in periodic table, horizontal rows are called what? Periods. Horizontal rows are called periods. Our long form of periodic table contains 7 periods. 7 periods. The first period contains two elements. That's why that is called what? Shortest period. Second and third periods contains 8 elements. Okay, which are started from lithium to neon and sodium to argon. Those are called short periods. In the same way, fourth and fifth period having fourth and fifth period having 18 elements. Those are called long periods. And sixth period is having more number of elements. That number should be 32. That's why the sixth period is called what? Longest period. When come to seventh period, that is incomplete period. Incomplete period. Okay, that is incomplete period. So you have to remember this part. Today, this part you have to remember, and you read this. Tomorrow I will explain the information about groups. Okay, I stop here. Remaining part we will continue next class. See.